In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've entered an invoice by mistake or need to correct an error, removing it from your records can be a straightforward process when you know exactly where to look. Let's walk through each step with clarity and ease to ensure you can accomplish this task without any hiccups. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel, where you'll find a variety of options that help you manage different aspects of your finances. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your command center for managing invoices, customers, and other sales-related details. Upon opening the Sales section, you're automatically taken to the Invoices tab in the main workspace area. This is where all your created invoices are listed, giving you a comprehensive view of what's outstanding, what's pending, and what might need correction. It's always worth taking a quick look here to ensure everything is in order and that you're ready to proceed with deleting the specific invoice in question. Now, with the list of invoices in view, locate the specific invoice you wish to delete. This process is made even more straightforward thanks to a handy little feature next to each invoice entry, the caret icon, which resembles a small downward-pointing arrow. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. It's a bit like a hidden menu that gives you more control over the invoice. To continue, simply click on that caret icon next to the invoice you've identified. This brings up an array of options, including the one we're focusing on today. Delete. Selecting Delete will prompt QuickBooks to remove the invoice from your records. A confirmation message is likely to appear just to make sure this action was indeed intentional. Such confirmations are an important safeguard against accidental deletions, ensuring you don't remove something crucial by mistake. And just like that, you've deleted an invoice in QuickBooks Online. It's a quick and efficient process, yet it's important to approach it with care. Always double-check before deleting to prevent loss of data you might need later on. By following these steps, you can keep your records accurate and up to date, maintaining a clean and organized financial overview for your business. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes managing your finances in QuickBooks a bit easier. If you need more guidance on anything else in QuickBooks, feel free to explore more of our tutorials where we tackle different aspects of this powerful tool. Have a great day managing your accounts.